Welcome to Getting Started as a Teacher with Mentafy. Let's begin by signing in with your Microsoft account. Don't have one yet? No worries. Click here to create one. Now follow the simple steps to set up your account. Note, the free Microsoft account will do just fine. Please accept the permissions and ensure that cloud access is granted to Mentafy. We are fully respecting your privacy, of course, and will only access the folders of Mentafy writing projects that you can create to experience what your students are doing with Mentafy. To complete the setup, simply enter your organization's name. Onboarding your students to Mentafy is easy. First, you can invite them to an assignment. This is how it goes. You create an assignment, invite your students, and they start writing. Mentafy analyzes the writing patterns and provides real-time citation feedback to the students so they never miss a citation. Eventually, you review their submissions along with Mentafy's authorship validation report. We analyze students' writing patterns and track how they worked on the assignment, so you can seamlessly spot academic misconduct. Creating a new assignment is quick and straightforward. Just give it a name and set a deadline. If you have specific pedagogical goals, you'll find advanced options to customize the assignment. For instance, if it's a larger project, you can enable note-taking and project management features. Once ready, share the invitation link with your students, and they can start working immediately. Now, you'll be able to view all your students' progress at a glance. If a student has already submitted their work, you can review their paper along with Mentafy's authorship validation report right here. Lastly, Mentafy offers additional support for more comprehensive projects, like term papers or theses. If you want to provide your students with a detailed project plan, complete with phase descriptions and key milestones, we are here to assist. This ensures your students receive guidance at every stage of their writing process. Thank you for watching. Stand out and stay original.